Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch video number 12. Wow, we are coming along, you guys. So I hope you like the intro. My first son wanted to say hi. So let's get into week 8, potatoes and garlic. My experience so far growing garlic and potatoes has been a breeze. Just water them and move along. I didn't have to do anything extra, which is a good thing. Alright you guys, let's get into week 22 mint. My experience propagating mint has been way easier than rosemary. With rosemary, I have had no success. I don't know what's going on. So the mint has been extremely easy in comparison. So the good thing about a mint plant is like it grows like weeds. So you don't really have to worry about it dying. And if it does, just propagate it. Alright guys, I'm just showing you the rest of the mystery seed plants, which we already know. It is a spaghetti squash. So I'm just showing you the plants that share the pot with the ginger, and you already know the one that was growing up the tiki torch had died. Alright you guys, let's get into the cucumber. The summer garden is really coming to an end, and I am looking forward to some fall gardening and see how that works out. Alright you guys, let's get into the tomatoes, and this one I left it on there too long, and of course, you know, it's going bad. The basil is still looking good, so that's a good thing. Alright you guys, let's get into the sugar baby watermelons. Do anybody remember that game, Where's Waldo? Where's the watermelons? As you guys can see, Nunu didn't make it, wasn't pollinated. Alright you guys, moving on to the cauliflower, and it is trying to do its thing. Alright, you guys, look at my succulent garden again, and it's supposed to be an herb garden. What you see here is supposed to have been kale, something added to the stem. So moving on. Alright guys, let's get into the ginger. My experience regrowing ginger has been actually not bad. So far, ginger has been one of those plants you just grow and leave it alone. Of course, water it. Alright, moving on to the tower, which consists of eggplants and different types of peppers, but I only have seen habanero peppers. So right here I am showing you where the eggplant is at, and if you made it this far in the video, you guys, please consider subscribing. It really does help my channel. It's harvest time, you guys. I have a little harvest. Okay, you guys, I did try to harvest the ginger, and when I tried to pull it out, this is what happened. I tell you what, it smelled good, but I wanted the ginger. So I said, you know what? No, I'm going to leave this pot alone. Then I'm going to go over to the blue pot, since it's only ginger in that pot. And then it was really hard trying to get up. And then as I was lifting it up, it didn't look that big. And it shouldn't be that big because it's in a smaller pot. So I said, you know what? I'm going to leave it in there just a little bit longer. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And for more videos like this, click here.